Hi everyone, once again welcome to Digital Journey. In this video we will discuss about what is domain and what is hosting. So let's talk about what is domain and what is hosting. So a domain, initially let's first type with the domain name. So what is a domain? A domain name is the address of the website on the internet, while web hosting is the physical space where the website file are located or stored. So you can have an idea about the what is domain and what is hosting. Domain will be name of your website, the name of the address of the website on the internet, while web hosting will is the physical space where the website files and data are stored. Suppose if our website is this digitaljourney.in, this is our website address. So this will be the domain name. This particular thing, this is the domain name. Digitaljourney.in will be the domain name. This will be the used for when user will type in the search engine. So this will be according on this particular address will be open, and on that you can find the information about the company or business. So we can say that domain name is address of the business, address of the website on the internet, while web hosting is the physical space where the website file are stored and data is stored. In simple language, we understand that suppose if you run a business, you run a business of the IT, you have run a business of the IT services. So in this case, what you have to do, the first method will be here, that will be rent out a space. Rent out a space for business. The second method will be business name. So to starting a business, the two things will be needed initially. The first one is the business name, from which business name you want to start the business. The second one is the rent out a space for the business. So initially, before renting out a space, you have to selection of the business name, and for rent out a space where you can place your files, folder, laptop, desktop, all the things you are business related materials you can keep on the rent out space in that particular space. So in the same way we can say that domain name is same as the business name, that people identify us on the basis of that. And the second one is the hosting, is the physical space where our website files and data is stored, same as the business file at the in space in our business address, the laptop, desktop will be stored if you are running an IT agency. So in this case we can say that domain name is the address of the website on the internet, while web hosting is the physical space where our website files and folder and data stores. So a domain name is a unique identifier for a website on the internet. This will be the unique identifier. Like if you purchase digitaljourney.in, so no one can purchase the digitaljourney.in. It is the text that you type user in a browser to visit the website. This will be the text when the user will type on the search engine. So our website will be stand out. Suppose if I go to the Google and I will search for the digitaljourney.in. So you can see here our website will be start here. Our website has been reflected here. So this is a process. Now domain name is usually made up of two parts, including a top level TLD. There are many TLD including country codes, government education, TLD. So basically the extension of the domain name, it can be, this can be .in, this can be .com, this can be .edu, this can be .info, this can be .info, this can be .tech. So there can be multiple TLD can be there of the domain. Top level domain, low level domain. So in this way we can categorize the domain according to the business nature. You can categorize the domain name. If you are running the technical business, then you can consider the .tech. If you are running the informational kind of the website, then you can use the .info. If you are running the education website, then you can use .edu. And for doing the worldwide business, that is the high TLD domain, that is the .com. And .in is usually for the India purpose, and for the government kind of the purpose you can see that .gov.domain, and dot jobs kind of domain is also there, that is used only for the jobs part. So in this way the categorization of the domain can be done, and in the same way the hosting categorization can be done. You need a cloud hosting, WordPress hosting, first VPS, virtual private server. So you can, there will be multiple type of the hosting can be, but in simple language if you want to understand, domain name will be the address of the website that will be that the visitor will use to search, to see your website, to go to visit on your website. And the hosting will be the physical space where the website files and folders will be placed on where the website files and folder will be stored. So this is the common definition between the domain and hosting, that you can see that. And in further video we will explore more like what is hosting and types of the hosting. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Take care.